welcome back to Fun Games and Apps for Kids. So today I'll be showing you guys a really cool app I like, called Light Saber of Light, I think. So it's a really cool app. So you can choose your color of your lightsaber. I'm gonna do red, my favorite color. Hilt, do the Kylo Ren lightsaber from The Force Awakens. So let's turn it on. Nice. So you can hear those sounds, but you can't see. It doesn't just make those sounds automatically. You actually have to hit your mobile device on something, like hit on your hand. You don't see that I'm doing that because I'm using a screen recorder. So or like just make a sudden stop. Turn it off. It's got a nice fade sequence. So let's do a different color. Let's do purple. Hilt. Let's make this lightsaber a master window. Oh, like I just forgot to mention, backgrounds. You can choose your background. I just like this cool. Made the right one. Okay. Oh yeah, one more thing. You can choose your sensitivity. So I'm using very high because I feel like that's the easiest. Very low, and like, check this out. You can't even it senses nothing. You have to hit it so hard to sense something. That's why I do not use any of the low ones. I use very high. Way easier. Nice ad, just a nice ad. Got a nice fade, I mentioned. You can also do double lightsabers. So let's do that with color. Let's do red. Sith Lord. That's cool. That's just cool. Oh. That is such a cool app. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate.